Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the workbook and enabling editing. Make sure you know which sheet and headers matter. Once done, scan a few rows to recognize data types so searches behave predictably. Next, press Ctrl+F to find a keyword fast, or immediately convert the range into a table to lock headers and enable structured queries. These first actions stop wasted clicks and set a reliable baseline, so your subsequent filters and formulas will reference stable, named ranges. You now refine the search. Apply auto-filter to combine several criteria across columns, and use the drop-downs to include or exclude values. Once filtered, rely on XLOOKUP for exact matches or index plus match when you need flexible column lookups. They return the row you want without manual scanning. Make results repeatable by defining named ranges or using the table's structured references, so formulas remain readable, and you can copy them across sheets. Finish by copying filtered rows to a new sheet or exporting the selection as CSV when you need a lightweight file. You should verify integrity using countifs or summing key columns to ensure you captured expected volumes. This confirms no rows were missed. If results look empty or incorrect, make sure filters are cleared, hidden rows or columns are revealed, and data types match your lookup criteria. Numbers stored as text are a common culprit that prevents matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.